In this Appliance Geeked video, we're going to dive into a common issue that many of us encounter, a dishwasher making a grinding noise. Without further ado, let's get started. When your dishwasher starts making a grinding noise, the first thing to check is whether terrace debris in the tub. Over time, food particles, small utensils, or broken glass can accumulate and get caught in the dishwasher's mechanisms. These pieces of debris can grind against the stainless steel wall of the tub, which may be causing the noise. To solve this, first, unplug your appliance. Then, take out the removable parts, like the racks. Give the inside of your dishwasher a good wipe down and remove any debris you encounter. Before you return the racks and other parts, wash them as well to take out any debris. Next up, let's talk about clogged impellers. The impellers are responsible for spraying water and ensuring proper circulation within the dishwasher. If they become clogged, the dishwasher may make a grinding noise. To address this issue, remove the pump assembly and inspect the impellers. Clean them with a soft brush and running water to remove any buildup. This should restore proper functioning and eliminate the grinding sound. Another possible cause of a grinding noise is damaged pump bearings. Over time, these bearings can wear out, causing the pump to make unusual sounds. If you suspect this is the issue, you'll need to replace the pump bearings. Consult your dishwasher's manual or contact a professional technician to assist you with this repair. Moving on, a faulty water inlet valve can also contribute to a grinding noise. The water inlet valve controls the flow of water into the dishwasher. If it's not functioning properly, it may produce an unsettling noise. To address this, turn off the dishwasher's power and water supply. Remove the access panel, locate the valve, and inspect it for any signs of damage or debris. Clean any debris that may have accumulated here. If necessary, replace the faulty valve with a new one and reassemble everything securely. Lastly, a clogged or broken food grinder can be the culprit behind the grinding noise. The food grinder is responsible for breaking down large food particles before they enter the drain. If it's clogged or broken, it can lead to unusual sounds. Start by unplugging your device. Then, remove the bottom rack and access the grinder. Clean it thoroughly, removing any trapped debris. If you notice any damage, such as broken blades, consider replacing the food grinder to restore optimal performance. Remember, before attempting any repairs, always refer to your dishwasher's manual for specific instructions. If you're uncertain or uncomfortable performing the repairs yourself, it's best to seek assistance from a qualified technician. Your dishwasher is an essential appliance, and it deserves proper care and attention. If you found this information helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Were you able to solve the problem that was causing the grinding noise in your dishwasher? Let us know in the comments below. A weird noise isn't the only possible issue in a dishwasher. Click now to find out what to do if your dishwasher isn't draining.